I am at the Honolulu Zoo today. Another family-friendly activity on Waikiki. It was like a 3-minute ride from our hotel, and we didn't Uber, but probably should have just walked. So probably like 5 minutes from just about anywhere on Waikiki. Well, my friends, I'm going to interrupt today's regularly scheduled program to remind you to hit that subscribe button and the reminder bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content. Thanks for that, and back to our regularly scheduled program. A bird of paradise behind multiple layers of fence. He was singing just a minute ago. And he's gonna do it again because I have the camera rolling. He wants to. He wants to be famous. And I know I'm gonna stop recording and he's gonna sing. Sorry, Burb, you had your chance. A magnificent bird of paradise. Oop. It's fast. Way to go. There he is. Focus, there we go. It's good to be a duck. Hang out in the water. Maybe I'm a duck. I like the beach. To hang out in the water? Maybe. Don't be fooled. Those are statues. They fooled me. I'm like, oh, cool. They're posing for me. Oh, they're metal. If you need a break, you can hear the Gibbons. Pretty sure those Gibbons. You can hang out in this little banyan grove. And banyan trees are pretty sweet, aren't they? They grow up and down, is my understanding. They look weird. Free-range chicken. It's a Guriel. Is it a type of crocodile?
It's part of the crocodile family.
Again, start recording and they quit moving. Funny, there's no line to see the tortoises. Huh. Weird. If you've ever been to a zoo, you know that they smell like animals, we'll say. This is the first zoo I've been to that has a mix of animal fragrance, and every once in a while, especially near the entrance, you get a strong floral scents, which is very pleasant. Something different than most zoos, at least. One very nice feature about the zoo, lots of shady spots to get out of the tropical sun. It's January 2nd and it's hot. Of course, if you'd like to be with the birds unfettered, you can go in there. I actually don't want. Not a big fan of that. And remember, exit through the gift shop. Thanks for coming along to the Honolulu Zoo. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy travels, my friends.